What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Adam Warlock from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now let's draw on the brow. We're going to start on the inside, bend this up above the eyes, and then out. And then on the inside, we're just going to curl the brow coming in and then up towards the top. Let's add some thickness to the brow. Starting from the outside, we're going to go thicker as you come in and then down towards that fold. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. So we're going to draw a half circle, starting on the left, coming down, around and up. Now we're going to move up and draw a small curve for the bridge of the nose. Now from the side of the nose, we're going to draw a large circle going around the face. So let's start on the left, going out and up underneath the eyes. Now we're going to move up towards the top of the eyebrows, draw the top half of the circle, going up and then down. Now I want to trace that circle along the inside. So again, coming in towards the side of the nose, and then trace out the top. Let's move down in the center and draw in the mouth. We're going to go up and then down. And then move down, draw a straight line going across the lip. Let's go all the way back up towards the top. We're going to curve the hair, going up and then out towards the side. We want to curl the hair coming around the eye and then in. Let's add a point, going out and then up. Now let's go back to that center point, draw the edge of the hairline, and go up and then out underneath the hair. Let's move down and draw the bottom half of the head, starting from the left, from the hair, down, around the chin, go across, and then bend that up. Now inside the cheeks, we're going to add a fold, coming in and then down. Let's go back to the center. We're going to separate the hair, going all the way up toward the top of the head. Bend the hair going up and then out toward the left and right side. Let's bend the hair, going out and then down toward the side of the head. Bend this down and then in. Let's add a curl across the bottom. Move down and out, down and in. Let's layer another point underneath. So we're going to step out, coming down and out. I'm just going to tuck this up and then in underneath the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on that shoulder armor. Starting on the left side, bend this down and in. Angle this down and out. And then go across the bottom of that armor. And go all the way up and then out towards the end. And then from here, bend this in and then up underneath the head. Let's trace the bottom, inside, and top. So create a little trim all the way around. From these 2 points, angle this down and out, angle this back in, and then come straight down towards the hips. Let's curve this up and then out towards the side. Draw a short angle line coming up and in. Work our way out towards the edge of the shoulder. Now this is the second layer. Angle this back up and then in underneath. Let's add that trim. Starting from the outside, we're going to come in. Let's add a point, coming down and back up underneath. Now just underneath the shoulders, I'm going to curve the body, going out and then down towards the hips. from the hips, angle this down and in, curve this up, and then back down. Let's add some armor plating across the hips from this point, and it's up and out. Now I want to move to the center. We'll draw a circle going all the way around. Add a smaller circle in the center. From the circle, step down, add a curve, leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I'm going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, moving down and up. Let's go back to the left side and curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, angle this back up towards the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips, draw the outside of the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And we'll add a toe cap. And it's in and then down. Step up, draw another trim across the bottom of the toe cap. Just on top of the foot, we're going to angle the boot going up and in. And we'll bend this down and then in. Underneath that point, let's add a circle, add a smaller circle in the center. Now underneath that circle, we're going to add a curve for the bottom of the belt, moving down and up, bend this up and then out, curve this down and out. Let's add a half circle across the hips. Trace that along the inside. Now I'm going to move back to the side of the body and draw the inside of the arms. So from the top of the body, step down, bend it out, and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and then up around that bracket. Step down, goes down and up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to bend this out, blend into the arm going up underneath the shoulder armor. Let's go back to the tip of the shoulders. We're just going to pull this down and in, just tucking that in behind the arm. And we'll fill each of those tips in black. Let's go back to the thumb, curve this up and then out. Move all the way up, draw another curve coming in. On the outside of the forearm, let's add a circle. Draw a smaller circle inside. From the tip of the bottom layer, it's going to draw the cape. We're going to come down and out in behind the arm, continue along the bottom, coming down and then out, and do the same thing on the right. And we're going to close off the bottom of the cape by connecting the ends with a curve. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Adam Warlock from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.